gift card balance on ICICI Bank. In this video, you are going to learn how to check gift card balance on ICICI Bank. So the process is very simple. You just have to follow these steps in this video. So the first step is you can open the ICICI Bank Pocket application and there should be an option for checking the gift card balance. And the second thing is you can do is try calling up the customer care number on 02250405238. And the third option is by visiting any bank ATM near you. These are all the three options. First, you go to your ATM center, you will add the ATM card number, and after adding the ATM card number, you will be able to check your balance. That's all. That's pretty much simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.